Hello everybody, it's Lurgs here. Welcome to my channel, and today how to replace the rear windscreen wiper blade on your Volkswagen T5, the beast. Right, let's get cracking. Okay, so at the moment if I squirt the rear windscreen wiper, ew, it's horrible. I haven't changed this for about 3 years and it is in desperate need of being replaced. Okay, so this is the existing windscreen wiper. So what you're doing is you're holding that small clip there and you're pushing it to the right hand side to slide it away, and then it should just come off. So slide that to the right, and then if you pull the windscreen wiper mechanism out and then turn the blade away from the van, it should just pop out. And that's what's holding it in there, just that small groove. So this is my new wiper blade here, which I got from a local Volkswagen parts dealer. And you can see the mechanism here. So that is unlocked and that is locked. That's how the system works. So what we'll do is we'll get this new one on. So that groove there goes onto the blade arm there. It just sits in there, and then you slide that across and then that locks it in. So line that groove up with that wiper arm there. So I've got it on the groove there, but it's not locked into position. So we just need to slide that mechanism over to the left hand side, and then that locks the new wiper blade into position. There we go, should hear a nice little clunk as it clips in. There we go, all done. And I'll just show you how the system works. So this is the old blade that I've taken off on top of the new blade. So if I just flip this over, so it slides across to release, and you're sliding it back to lock it in. Right, let's test out the new wiper blade. Well, I have to say that is superb. Not a squeak in sight, and it's clearing the screen perfectly. There is a link above now about how to replace the front wiper blades on the Volkswagen T5, and ideally you want to replace all your wiper blades at least once a year. After all that hard work, it's time for a lovely cup of tea. Oh. If you would like more how-tos and helpful tips and life hacks, please subscribe by pressing this button down here. I really do appreciate you visiting my channel, guys and girls. If you'd like to select any other videos around here, that would be really cool. Thanks for watching.